Meet Hitexa, eco-friendly air cooling. It cools the air using only water. This pump automatically fills the water tank. Water thoroughly wets the internal cellulose pads. A powerful fan draws hot air through them. The wet pads instantly cool the passing air through evaporation, delivering fresh, cool air directly into the room. With 32 degrees outside and 27 indoors, Hitexa delivers air at just 19.7 degrees. The result speaks for itself.